In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Asana. Time management is crucial for productivity, and Asana provides handy tools to facilitate just that. So, let's dive into how you can enable and use time tracking seamlessly within your projects. First, you'll want to head over to the specific project where you want to keep tabs on your time. Once you're there, look for the Customize button, which is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on Customize brings up a list of options, and you'll want to select Time Tracking from the Custom Fields list. This is where the magic happens. By enabling this option, you allow Asana to add two crucial custom fields to your project tasks: estimated time and actual time. These fields will be your go-to places for managing your time effectively. Now, let's set things up. For each task within your project, you can set an expected time frame by manually entering the hours and minutes you anticipate dedicating to that task in the estimated time field. This step is essential as it creates a roadmap for your time allocation, helping you stay on track with your goals. Once you've set your estimated time, it's time to track the actual time you spend on tasks. Here, Asana gives you two options. The first option is to use the built-in timer. Whenever you start working on a task, you'll notice a timer icon or button when you open the task details. Clicking this will start the timer, so it's very straightforward. Once you finish working, you can hit the button again to either pause or stop the timer. The time you spent will then be automatically recorded in the actual time field, making it a hassle-free way to keep on top of your day. If you'd rather log your time manually, you can also do that. Just type in the number of hours and minutes you spent directly into the actual time field for the task. This option gives you the flexibility to adjust entries, especially if you need to make corrections or updates. With all of your time tracked, Asana offers valuable reporting tools to help you make sense of the data. The tracked time aggregates into helpful reporting dashboards and the workload view. This allows you to not only compare the estimated versus actual time spent, but also to better gauge your team's capacity and adjust workloads accordingly. And there you have it. Enabling time tracking in Asana is a straightforward way to improve your project management skills and boost productivity. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering your time allocation and ensuring projects run smoothly. Thanks for joining me today, and happy tracking.